grounds where dreams were sown, a quiet seed of hope was grown. Through years of learning, hearts and minds, DPS became the light that shines. Chalk on boards and books held tight, morning bells and golden light. Little voices filled the air, learning dreams were planted there. Teachers guiding every stride, hope and courage side by side. From small steps the path was paved, future leaders slowly shaped. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. We are stars up in the sky, shining bright, we never die. This is our time to fly, reaching for the high, so high. Years rolled on, the halls grew wide, new ideas stood with pride. Sports and arts and minds set free, building strong community. Through the trials and changing days, DPS found brighter ways. Every child a spark to see, writing their own legacy. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. We are stars up in the sky, shining bright, we never die. This is our time to fly, reaching for the high, so high. From classroom small, the future's grand, guided by a caring hand. Faces rising proud and strong, DPS is where we belong. We are stars up in the sky, shining bright, we never die. This is our time to fly, reaching for the high, so high. So the story carries on, each new student like the dawn. And every dream and every child, the light of DPS will fight. From humble grounds where dreams were sown, a quiet seed of hope was grown. Through years of learning, hearts and minds, DPS became the light that shines. Chalk on boards and books held tight, morning bells in golden light. Little voices filled the air, learning dreams were planted there. Teachers guiding every stride, hope and courage side by side. Through small steps the path was paved, future leaders slowly shaped. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control. We are stars up in the sky, shining bright, we never die. This is days rolled on, the halls grew wide. New ideas stood with pride. Sports and arts and minds set free. Building strong communities.